Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to call this Stupendous Saturday. What do you think? Last night, I prepared a variation of my protein and cabbage. It was andouille sausage and cabbage stir fry. Good. Plenty of heat. I usually don't add heat to this, kind of this dish, but I decided to. It's just me. It was really good. I'll get the ingredient list up for you later on this morning. Today, people, I normally don't do something, but I shared this recipe much earlier in the week, and there's a lot of anticipation for tonight's dish. It's Japanese BBQ Udon Noodles. I swapped out the ramen for udon. Yeah. I discovered that there's a decent, I'm trying it because I decided to change it out because I'm trying a new product that I discovered in Bel Air. They carry an udon noodle, and I will show them to you. Let's go. It's another wok day. It's going to be wok days for many, many, many days. These are the udon noodles. And it comes in this vacuum-packed, sealed package. Real simple to you can either heat them up in the wok, or you can do them in the microwave. So I'm going to be playing with that today. For the wok work, there's sesame oil and I'm using olive oil, which I know you're not supposed to use olive oil in a wok, but I do. And then this is a vegetarian meal. Onions, bell pepper, carrots, mushrooms. I'm adding the leftover snap peas that I had from earlier in the week. Of course, there's garlic and green onion. And for the liquids, soy sauce, oyster sauce, mirin. I don't know if technically honey is a liquid, but yeah, it's sort of. There's some ginger, which is not a liquid. We're getting past the liquids. Ginger, some chili garlic sauce, and some sesame seeds for garnish. So there it is, folks. I've really been looking forward to this one all week, as have several other people here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm working on a promotion for both Recipes Are Just Guidelines and for the Casual Chef Urban Spice Blends. I'm working on it. I'm working on something for you. A little bit of a sale, maybe. Keep an eye out for that. I'm absolutely loving Recipe Keeper. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. Yeah, it's Recipe Keeper. There. Okay, and this stupendous Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.